Lily, are you ready for our trip?
Almost. I am so excited.
Me too. The mountains will be beautiful this time of year.
I have never been to the mountains in winter.
Really? This will be your first time?
Yes, my first time. I am a little nervous.
Don't worry, it will be fun.
I hope so, but I don't have warm clothes.
That's true. We need to go shopping first.
What do we need to buy?
A warm coat, some gloves, a scarf, and snow boots.
That's a lot of things.
It is, but the mountains are very cold.
How cold is it there?
Sometimes it is below freezing.
Below freezing? Wow, that's cold.
Yes, we need to be ready for it.
Okay, let's make a list.
Good idea. I will write it down.
Coat, gloves, scarf, and boots.
Don't forget warm socks too.
Oh, right, warm socks.
And maybe a hat for your head.
A hat? I have an old hat at home.
Is it warm enough for the mountains?
I'm not sure, maybe not.
Then let's add a new hat to the list.
Okay, this list is getting long.
It's okay, we have all afternoon.
True. Where should we go first?
There's a good clothing store near here.
The one on Main Street?
Yes, that one. They sell winter clothes.
Perfect. Let's go there first.
After that, we can find a shoe store for boots.
Sounds like a good plan.
I am looking forward to this trip.
Me too. I want to see real snow.
You will see so much snow.
I can't wait. Let's get ready to go.
Grab your bag. We can walk there.
Is it far from here?
No, it's only 10 minutes away.
Good. I don't want to be tired before we shop.
Don't worry, it's a short walk.
Okay, I'm ready.
Let's go then.
Wait, one more thing.
What is it?
Do you think I need a warm jacket too, or just a coat?
A coat should be enough for the mountains.
Okay, good. That's one less thing to worry about.
Exactly. Let's go find everything you need.
I'm excited now.
Me too. Let's go. Here we are. This store has everything.
It's a big store.
Hello, welcome in. Can I help you find something? Hi, yes please. I need a warm coat. Of course. Are you going somewhere cold? Yes, we are going to the mountains. Oh, how exciting. For skiing? No, just to visit and see the snow. That sounds lovely. Follow me, please.
The coats are over here, Lily.
Oh, there are so many colors. This one is very warm. It's called a puffer coat.
A puffer coat? What does that mean?
It means the coat is filled with soft material, like feathers.
Oh, that's why it looks so thick.
Exactly. It keeps you very warm.
I like this blue one.
That color looks great on you.
Try it on, Lily.
Okay, I will. How do I look?
You look very warm and very stylish.
It fits you perfectly. I love it. How much is it? This coat is $85. That's a good price.
Yes, I think so too.
I will take this one.
Great choice. Do you need gloves too?
Yes, please. And a scarf.
Right this way.
These gloves are so soft.
They are made for very cold weather.
Perfect. I'll take a pair in gray.
And for the scarf?
Do you have anything in red?
Yes, we have this one. It's very warm.
I love red. This one is perfect.
It matches your coat nicely.
Thank you, Max. Would you like a hat as well?
Yes, we need one of those too.
This wool hat is very popular.
It looks warm. I'll take it. Wonderful. Let's go to the register.
How much is everything together?
Let me check. That will be $130 total.
Can I pay with my card? Yes, of course. We accept cards and cash. Here you go. Thank you. Your total is $130. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome.
Enjoy your trip to the mountains. I will. Thank you, Anna. Have a wonderful time. Goodbye.
That went well. You found everything.
I did. I'm so happy with my coat.
Now we just need boots.
Right. Let's go to the shoe store.
It's just down the street.
Let's go then.
Here is the shoe store.
It smells like new shoes.
Hi there. Welcome to the store. How can I help?
Hello. I need snow boots, please.
Sure thing. What size are you?
I am a size 7.
Let me check what we have. Here are a few pairs in your size.
These brown ones are nice.
Those are very good for snow. They have a strong grip.
What does grip mean?
It means the bottom of the boot doesn't slip on ice.
Oh, that's important. I don't want to fall.
Exactly. Snow can be slippery.
Try them on, Lily.
Okay, one moment. These feel very comfortable.
How do they feel when you walk?
Really good. My feet feel warm already.
That's because they have a soft lining inside.
I like these a lot.
They also look great with your coat.
You're right. How much are they?
These boots are $60.
That's a fair price.
I agree. Get them.
Okay, I'll take these.
Great choice. Would you like waterproof spray for them?
Waterproof spray? What is that?
It's a spray that keeps water from soaking into the boots.
Oh, that sounds useful for snow.
It is. Many customers buy it together with boots.
Okay, I'll take one, please.
That will be $8 more.
That's fine. Here's my card.
Perfect. Your total is $68.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Thank you, Daniel. Goodbye.
You did great today.
Thank you. I feel ready now.
Are you tired?
A little, but happy.
Let's sit down for a minute.
Good idea.
You know, this trip means a lot to me.
Why is that?
My grandmother used to take me to the mountains every winter.
Oh, really? That sounds special.
Yes, she always wore a red scarf, just like yours.
Wow, Max, that's a beautiful memory.
I still think about her every winter.
I'm sure she would be happy you're going back.
I think so too. Thank you for listening.
Of course. I'm glad you told me.
Let's finish shopping and head home.
Yes, let's go pack everything.
Okay, let's pack the suitcase now.
Where do we start?
First, put the heavy things at the bottom.
Like the boots?
Yes, exactly. Boots go first.
Okay, boots are in.
Now the coat. Fold it neatly.
Like this?
Perfect. That will save space.
What about the gloves and scarf?
Put them in this small pocket.
Good idea. It's easy to find them later.
Exactly. Now let's add some warm sweaters.
I have 2 sweaters ready.
Great. Roll them instead of folding.
Roll them? Why?
Rolling saves more space than folding.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's a useful packing trick.
I'll remember that next time.
Don't forget warm pajamas too.
Right, it will be cold at night.
Very cold. The cabin doesn't have much heating.
Then I need extra socks too.
Good thinking. Pack a few more pairs.
Done. What else do we need?
A small bag for our phone chargers.
I have that ready already.
Perfect. And your camera?
Oh, I almost forgot my camera.
Ha, good thing I asked.
I want to take many photos of the snow.
It will be a beautiful sight.
I can't wait to see it.
Is the suitcase getting full?
Yes, almost full now.
Let's check the list one more time.
Coat, check. Gloves, check. Scarf, check.
Boots, check. Hat, check.
Sweaters, check. Socks, check.
Pajamas, check. Chargers, check.
Camera, check. I think we have everything.
Great job, Lily. You did it all yourself.
With your help, of course.
Teamwork makes it easier.
I agree. Let's close the suitcase.
Wait, one more thing.
What is it?
Don't forget your passport and tickets.
Oh, thank you for reminding me.
No problem. Those are the most important things.
I put them in this small bag.
Perfect. Now we are really ready.
I feel so much better now.
Me too. Tomorrow we leave early.
What time is our train?
It leaves at 7 in the morning.
Then we should sleep early tonight.
Good idea. Let's get some rest.
Today was such a busy day.
It was, but a good one.
I bought so many warm things.
You did. Now you are ready for the cold.
I learned some new words too,
Like what?
like puffer coat and grip.
Don't forget waterproof.
Right, that was a useful word.
You learned a lot today.
I did. Shopping was more fun than I thought.
Anna and Daniel were very helpful.
Yes, they were both so friendly.
That's how good service should be.
I agree completely.
How do you feel about the trip now?
I feel excited, not nervous anymore.
That's wonderful to hear.
Thank you for helping me get ready.
Of course, that's what friends are for.
I really liked hearing about your grandmother today.
I'm glad I could share that with you.
I think this trip will be very special.
I think so too.
I'm going to sleep well tonight.
Me too. Big day tomorrow.
Good night, Max. See you in the morning.
Good night, Lily. Sweet dreams.